cookies. Today's special ingredient is...
Alright, so first ingredient down. Time for a shot.
Two cookies.
Welcome to the cul-de-sac, this is where the street end. I am just a rapper, I ain't got the time for speaking. Niggas stay weak like tornado and a tree branch and never have a weekday. My life's a long weekend. Fucking with your raw bitch, my mouth should get tested. Sleeping on a nigga, hope you feel well rested. Gambino stay on, can't nobody pull the cord out. A nigga
In England, this means I still have fingers, but it really means like fuck you. The French would capture the English and they would chop off their fingers so they couldn't shoot arrows. So their way of like getting back to them was to be like, you got fingers.
I only put a reel on a nigga. Bitches see the money, try and steal on a
You know, Alex, I'm gonna say half.
Wait, would you like to call a friend?
I would love to call a friend.
Alright, what's the wrong show?
Hello. Hey, so I'm one who wants to be a Jeopardy right now, and I'm like questioned. If I get it wrong, I have to take 2 shots. Did you know how
Right,
painful that
come
is?
on out with that.
Okay, so is it half a cup, or is it 2 cups, or is it 4 cups of peanut butter for the turkey?
I think I would actually.
Are you serious?
I'm looking at the recipe right now, and it looks like it says a whole gallon.
A gallon of peanut butter? Okay, well,
I'm a genius, I ain't got a fake shit. My cup runneth over, you can take sips. I'm in a spy white robe like a racist. Niggas can't see me, I will pay for your LASIK. But what you heard, bitch, I'm flyer than you ever seen. My wallet make paper, call it evergreen. Ashy to classy, finally got some Vaseline. Live inside a sauna cause I always got my self-esteem. Name in your mouth, and it seems as though I struck a nerve. I never fit in like my penis in these tiny girls. I figured I was different from these other guys. When I wrote for 30 Rock, I was under 25. These other rappers wanna fade into the background. I'ma stand out when these niggas done sat down. I always pack heat, yeah, my mouth need a pat down. Money girls